To find the best makeup look for yourself, understanding your facial feature is very important. If you want to build a better relationship with makeup instead of using makeup as a cover-up tool, here's how you can change your perspective. Like I said, understand your unique features. Number 2, find your role model. Number 3, try and practice makeup look that will bring your best features. And we'll getting into it more later. Today I'm doing my go-to makeup that I'm obsessed with these days. And I'm using a new makeup brand that I discovered. This is called Araza Beauty. Everything is coconut oil based, so it's organic. And this makeup look is something that you can rock every single day. And even if you are not really familiar with makeup, it's very simple, it's very beginner friendly. So I hope this video is helpful for you. First, I'm using this golden medium concealer. Take a brush like this and then put it on my under eye just to brighten up my eyes and my features. Not too heavy, just to cover the redness. When you do a concealer, you don't want to use any like too bright or too dark, obviously, color. I recommend you to try 1 or 2 tone lighter than your skin color. Those are the colors that will bring out the best from your facial features. And this is my secret weapon. I'm being dramatic, but using a cushion foundation sponge is game changer when you want to do very natural looking makeup look. I highly recommend you guys to get some of those. And I got this from Shein. Next up, I am using this sun bronzed powder. Very lightweight, it's easy to blend. So I'm using this little blush that I got from them. Also, I'm already wearing a sunscreen underneath. It's very important, something that you can't skip every day. Also, if you guys are new here today, my name is Luna. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm a professional dancer in the United States and I was born and raised in Japan. I moved here in 2022 to try out for NFL professional dance team, and now I'm on my 3rd year and we're on off season, so I'm learning a lot of like trying out very natural makeup look and discovering the self-love without any lash extension or dramatic makeup. I wanted to discover the self love again without any lash extension or heavy makeup, heavy coverage, all those extra things. Also, growing up I struggle with a lot of self-love with my feature because as a Asian, as someone who came from Japan, Japanese cute standard is like having a dolly big eyes, and that's something that I didn't have naturally. My eyes are monolids and I used to tape my eyelids when I went to high school. So I'm discovering a lot of things. I also wanted to talk about self-love today. When you're growing up, you want to put yourself into those standards, what's cute, and you want to be acceptable, and I try to cover it up with my makeup and all those stuff. And now that we have more easy access to social media and other world, I've seen so many people who's rocking with the natural features with monolids and models and everything, and I saved all those pictures like Pinterest, monolid makeup or Asian beauty makeup, and I practiced a lot of makeup looks and I discovered what's gonna look best on me. And I feel like I discovered my self-love again these days, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit today with you guys to help some of you guys who is struggling just like I was. First, understand your unique features. Before diving into makeup, you need to really understand your face and what makes it unique. It's not about conforming to a beauty standard. It's about embracing the features that makes you you. For me, once I stopped trying to fit into the Japanese standards, I realized that my monolids, my slightly round cheeks, and even my acne scars were all part of who I am. There's a beauty in those things. What's amazing is that no one else has your exact features. And once you embrace that uniqueness, makeup becomes an empowering tool to enhance, not cover. So, take a moment to look at yourself in the mirror. Notice what stands out. Next up, I'm using a gem. This is a cream blush. I'm using the same blush because I don't mind having a little bit of brown on my cheeks. So This is very pigmented, so I need to like tap it really light, but it's so beautiful. Like, I love this cranberry type of color. Next, let's talk about finding your role model. Now, I know this might sound cliche, but finding someone who inspires you can make a world of difference. I'm not talking about trying to be them. I'm talking about looking for people who shares your face shapes, your skin types, or your features. Whether it's on Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube, there are so many amazing women embracing their natural selves. So I sometimes stops right here, but today I wanted to kind of make it a little dramatic and add the warmth of the brown because I dyed my hair a little darker, so I wanted to match it today. I'm using this Revlon color shade, not just nudes, darker brown palette. So to the eyeshadow, I struggle a lot to find the best eyeshadow look for my eye shape, but one thing that I can tell you guys for sure is that if you have a monolid, blending is like the biggest key because you don't have any definition. It's like a flat, so if you don't blend it well, it's gonna look a little weird. And usually if you have a monolid, doing darker to like a lighter shade to like go up is the best way to do. I used to do like I mean you can do it as well, but I used to do like darker shade and then towards to the inside a lighter shade. That's most likely for people who has hooded eyes. So I'm using the darker shades to really close to the lash lines. And like I said, blend, blend, blend. Now it's time to talk about trying and practice a makeup look that brings out your best features. Once you've understand your features and found a role model or inspiration, it's time to experiment. There's no one-size-fits-all situation, and sometimes it takes a little while to figure out what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try a few different things and pay attention to which one makes you feel the most confident. Trust me, when you're rocking a look that feels authentically you, it'll boost your self-esteem like nothing else. Lashes sometimes makes things look so different, so it's very important. But at the same time, I didn't want it to wear any like false lashes or lash extension. I wanted to rebuild that self-love with my natural baby itty bitty lashes. This is not a Raza Beauty, but I think this is perfect for monolid eyes. This is called Kiss Me Heroine Makeup. Long up mascara, super waterproof. This is from Japan. Very like it's super waterproof, so you know if you have a monolid, at the end of the day you're gonna have like a smudges underneath your eyes and it look like a panda. This mascara stays all day, so I recommend you guys to get this one. The another thing that will make a huge difference is eyeliner. So this is also not from Raza Beauty, this is from Elf, but I'm gonna draw a little bit. Think of it as in like extended line from your lashes. It's gonna help you to be able to draw a natural line. And at last, to make sure that I'm not going to have any smudges at the end of the day, I always take like a puff like that and then take a powder foundation and then put it underneath your eyes. It's gonna help you not to have a smudged underneath eyes the whole day. One thing that I found out that if I have a brown or purple undertone lip color, it's a perfect color for me. We went to Lip Love. It's where you can create your own lip color, like a lip gloss like this. And she told me to really study or really look into your natural lip color first and find out the undertone. And my undertone and my mom's undertone was like a purple-ish, brownish type of color. So we picked a purple undertone colors and it mixed with like a pinkish or raspberry or cranberry type of color. And it looks really good for our skin, so I recommend you guys to like really study about your lip color first, like your natural lip color first. And then on top of it, I'm using this little shimmery, this is called Raspberry Glazed. Look at this color, this is so pretty. Again, this is a purple undertone, so it's very nice for my skin. Very lightweight. For a second I thought I wasn't recording, thank God. And my hair is fresh. Look at my hair, it's so darker. I was into like cool tone blonde for a sec, but I feel like this is my color. Some people told me this like a darker hair color makes me look way older than my age or way younger than the age, but tell me what you guys think. I kind of like it. Loving this brown era with my Coach bag, makeup bag. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Comment down below what was helpful for you. I would love to hear it from you guys. And also comment brown heart emoji. That's my favorite emoji at the moment. I want to see how many people actually watched my video until the end. So it would be so sad if I don't see any of the comments like that. But anyways, if you guys want to see more of my video, this is the video that YouTube picked just only for you. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. If you want to know more about me, here's the video for you. I'm talking about how I became a professional dancer in the United States and who I am. So let's get to know each other. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!